Have you ever looked at an ordinary dress and wondered if it could become something so beautiful that nobody would ever guess how it started? Sometimes the most incredible creations aren't made from expensive fabric at all. They're made from forgotten clothing, leftover fabric, and a little imagination. That's exactly what today's video is all about. And I have a feeling a few of these ideas are going to make you see the clothes in your closet in a completely different way. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at more than 50 inspiring ideas for turning everyday clothing and fabric into beautiful dresses. From romantic cottagecore styles and shabby chic creations to patchwork designs, denim makeovers, flowy boho looks, vintage-inspired pieces, and one-of-a-kind wearable art. These ideas prove that almost any garment can become the beginning of something new. As always, every idea in today's video came from my Pinterest board, so if you'd like to save any of these inspirations for later, you'll find a link to that board in the description below. While you're watching, I'd love for you to vote for your favorite design by leaving its number in the comments. I always enjoy seeing which projects everyone falls in love with the most, and if one design reaches around 100 votes, there's a good chance I may recreate it in a future video. One of my favorite things about dress upcycling is that every project seems simple when you're imagining it, but sometimes one tiny surprise changes everything. Something like that happened to me during one of my own dress makeovers, and for a little while, I honestly wasn't sure if the project could be saved. It ended up teaching me one of the most valuable lessons I've learned about upcycling, and I'll share that story as we make our way through today's collection of creative dress ideas. I don't think I've ever measured a dress as many times as I measured this one, and somehow it still ended up too short. I had been so excited about giving it a completely new look that I carefully planned every detail before I even picked up my scissors. I knew exactly how I wanted it to flow, where I wanted the new seams to sit, and how I imagined it looking when it was finished. Everything was going smoothly until it came time to trim the hem. I measured once, measured again, folded it over, checked it one more time, and finally made the cut. At first everything looked fine, but the moment I held the dress up, my heart sank. It was noticeably shorter than I had pictured in my mind. It wasn't just a little different either. The proportions felt completely off. And suddenly, the design I'd spent so much time planning didn't look balanced anymore. I remember standing there, staring at it, wondering how I had managed to misjudge it after being so careful. For a few minutes, I honestly thought I had ruined the entire project. I kept laying different fabrics underneath it, hoping something would magically fix the problem, but every combination seemed to make it look even stranger. That's one of the frustrating things about upcycling. Sometimes one small decision changes everything, and there's no putting the fabric back once it's been cut. Have you ever had a project go perfectly until one little mistake completely changed the direction you thought it was going? If you enjoy hearing these real upcycling stories while we look through today's dress ideas, I'd love it if you'd subscribe so you don't miss future videos. And I wasn't ready to give up yet. But I also had no idea how I was going to make that dress look the way I'd imagined when I'd first started the project. I kept looking at the dress, refusing to believe that all of my planning had ended with the project. I didn't even want to finish. I tried laying several fabrics beneath the hem again, but this time I stopped searching for something that would make the mistake disappear. Instead, I started thinking about how I could make the shorter length look intentional. That's when I found a coordinating fabric that picked up one of the colors already in the dress without matching it too perfectly. I cut it into a wide gathered panel and pinned it around the bottom, but the first version still looked awkward. The new section was too stiff, and instead of restoring the balance, it made the dress look heavy. For a moment, I felt that same panic all over again because it seemed as though every attempt to fix the problem was creating another one. I took the panel off, made it narrower, added more fullness, and repeated a small fabric detail near the seam, so the new hem looked connected to the rest of the design. That finally changed everything. The dress had the length and movement I had originally wanted, but it also had more personality than my first plan. What felt like a ruined hem became the feature that made the dress unique. That experience reminded me that upcycling often works best when we stop trying to force a project back into the original plan and allow the mistake to suggest a new direction. If you're looking for fabric or clothing to use in your own upcycling projects, you'll find a link to my vintage shop in the description. I have lots of fabric available, along with clothing that's perfect for creative makeovers. You'll also find links to my upcycling tutorials and playlists filled with more clothing and fabric transformations. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. Before you go, tell me which numbered dress idea inspired you most in the comments. There's another creative video waiting for you on the screen now, and I'll see you there.